Imagine a morning coffee in Northwest Crossing or a jog along the trails of Shevlin Park. Welcome to your exclusive West Side retreat at 2225 Reserve Camp Court. This townhome offers a tranquil escape while being only blocks from Discovery Park in the charming boutiques of Northwest Crossing. Welcome home. Let's go in and take a look. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,341 square feet townhome is a contemporary architectural gem. Marvel at the striking wall of sliding windows, the fusion of hardwood and concrete featuring radiant heat, exposed beams, tongue and groove ceilings, and stainless steel appliances. This primary suite is exquisite, with afternoon light flowing through the large windows to the west. Enjoy a design that extends to the patio and courtyard beyond, merging indoor and outdoor living. This is the perfect opportunity to enjoy Ben's West Side living at its finest. We invite you to come and take a look.